Hello everyone and welcome to Modern Survivalist. Today I will be highlighting my favorite online survey sites in Modern Survivalist's Top 5 Paid Survey Sites. The real problem with online earning websites is that they usually don't pay well, and in some cases they don't pay at all. Luckily, I have lived through several of these disappointments, so you don't have to. Contained in this list are my absolute top 5 paid survey sites. I could not recommend them more highly. Number 1. Inboxdollars.com. This is my go-to website for surveys, and it's literally the first website that I go to every morning. Every day you are treated to high-paying surveys, most of which pay 50 cents to $1 a piece. Sometimes you can even get surveys that pay up to $5. There's also a ton of other stuff to do here. You can get paid to search, free offers for cash, paid offers for cash, paid emails, and so much more. The site really is my top to bottom favorite website for online earning, not to mention surveys. If you want to get paid $40 a month or more, give them a shot. You won't regret it. Number 2. YouGov.com. Tired of getting kicked out of surveys? Don't worry. YouGov will never kick you out of theirs. They also pay amazingly well, about 50 cents per survey. I usually get about 5 of these a week, and they usually only take about 5 minutes to complete. They will be alerted to you via email, so you don't have to worry about missing them. Truly an amazing site. Number 3. Crowdtap.com. If you love shopping on Amazon, then this is the site for you. You do surveys and missions based on some of America's most beloved companies in exchange for Amazon gift cards. They will also never kick you out of a survey. You can make about $5 a week if you do everything available to you on the site. Number 4. SliceThePie.com. Fancy yourself a music critic? Then this is most certainly the site for you. While not your traditional online survey site, you do get paid well here. What you do is review music and other products for cash. Reviews are based on accuracy, and you can make 5 to 15 cents per review. It's not that complicated. Just review and get paid. Simple as pie. Number 5. MyPoints.com. This is a great site for a number of reasons. Firstly, they have decent surveys. Secondly, they have a ton of other stuff to do on the site, like getting kickbacks to shop at places like Amazon. They also partner with the product testing website BuzzAgent. If you love getting kickbacks when you shop, as well as doing amazing surveys, this is the site for you. Alright, that about does it for this video. I hope this list serves you well. For your convenience, you can find all of the websites in today's video linked in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Modern Survivalist for all things urban survival and online earning. Also, don't forget you can also check out more Modern Survivalist videos by simply checking out the channel page. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time.